been a minute. I figured I'd make a video. It's been a few weeks, and I thought this would be a good car to start on. Just finished it up. I'll post some of the dyno runs, NA, and then I'm going to post the ones from spray to the 150 shot. It's got the nitrous outlet. Show you just the basic nitrous outlet kit. Pretty solid setup. I had no issues with it. The fitment was actually pretty good. I did a bunch of other stuff to it. Added a gauge pillar and wideband, and the ECS trans diff brace. I just had exhaust put on it, new wheels and tires. It's got some NITROUS on it now. Should do pretty good. You know, you don't know what's under the hood of these things often, so it's got the stock LS1 with a Tick Performance Stage 3 NA cam, actually, so it's not even a boost cam or a nitrous cam. And it put down 507 horsepower, 553 torque. That's after the spray. Before, just running it with no nitrous, just the stock engine with a cam, it made 380, 386 torque. So definitely picked up a good amount. I believe these 150 shots are really more like a 125 shot. If I went to a 175 on this, it would probably be more like a 150 shot. You know, in the future, it might be something that he wants to do. It could probably take a 175 or a 200 shot. For how long, who knows? But you know, then we'd be looking up near 600, 550, 600 horsepower. So yeah, definitely a possibility. Trans, who knows if the trans will hold up. These are, you know, these are hit or miss on these. This thing shifts perfect. You know, there's no issues so far. I just drove it for about 20 minutes. Did a few street pulls with it with the nitrous, but I don't want to waste the bottle. I only did 4 pulls on the dyno just to conserve everything. Believe it or not, the nitrous outlet kits are pretty damn close with the jetting. So I had to just go a little bit richer on the fuel jet. Nitrous jet was perfect, so it was actually a pretty simple install. It's just time consuming running the lines and everything to the back, and then mounting the tank, because these Corvettes are some sort of composite in the trunk, and can't really you can't really drill into them. So